So the summary offences are those offences that are of minor nature, and the indictable offences are those offences which are of much serious nature. The summary offences shall only be dealt with by the magistrate court, and indictable offences are those offences that shall only be dealt by the crown court. But there are wide array of offences which come between them that are either way offences. These are the offences that could be dealt by magistrate court as well as the crown court. So magistrate court, while deciding that whether it should keep this offense, shall see that rather this offense will be of nature that you will not have to provide the punishment for more than 6 months, and if it is attracting two either way offenses, not more than 12 months of punishment. But the magistrate court has the unlimited power of fining the person in either way offenses. So the magistrate court shall ask the person, the offender, the accused in the either way offense to either to plead guilty or not guilty. If he pleads guilty, then the magistrate court shall decide that whether it has the power to give him the punishment. If it has the power, then shall give him the punishment right away, or then if not has the power, then shall send to the crown court. If the person decides not guilty, then the magistrate court shall decide whether magistrate court should keep this offender for the trial or should send him to the crown court. So when the magistrate court decides to keep him, then that offender shall also have the power to either elect the crown court or the magistrate court. And if that offender elects the crown court, then the magistrate court will have to send him to the crown court for the trial. When the value of the damage is uncertain, for example, it is not known whether or not it exceeds £5,000, the defendant is asked if they consent to be tried summarily. If so, that will take place and the maximum sentence will be limited to 3 months or the level 4 fine. If the defendant does not consent, then the offense will be treated as either way and the higher sentence power will be applied to the conviction. Low shoplifting, where the value does not exceed £200, is now said to be a summary only offense. When read fully, however, the statute still allows either for the defendant to elect the crown court or the magistrate court, and when read in detail, shoplifting could be regarded as a theft, and then it will be an either way offense. The shoplifting not an offense in any event where a person has alleged shoplifted, they are properly charged with theft. So theft is the offense. In reality, the only difference that post the reclassification of the offense makes it that the magistrate's court cannot decline the jurisdiction at the mode of trial hearing.